For me, it's 5 stars.
The Pearl Qatar.
Hey guys, are you okay? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and I am your nurse slash aspiring baker slash traveler slash
Friend.
and for this episode, I will be baking a San Sebastian cheesecake. So last week in search for the best baked goodies, I went to the Pearl Qatar and there I discovered and for the first time, I tasted a San Sebastian cheesecake. And also I mentioned that on my next episode, I will be baking it. So here we are. May I present to you the San Sebastian cheesecake recipe. Let's start. Okay, for the materials, we will be using a 9-inch springform pan, a hand mixer, spatula, and a mixing bowl. For the ingredients, we have a cream cheese, a heavy cream, white granulated sugar, flour, and eggs. Okay, first preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius and then you will line your baking pan with parchment paper. So, grease your baking pan with butter. And then there's no technique here or there's no any style, no anything, just line your baking pan with parchment paper. Don't mind the creases or the folds. This will serve as like a design or style of our cheesecake. We'll use 2 parchment papers. And then after that, brush it again with butter. For at least 8 hours or overnight. Don't forget to remove your ingredients from the fridge. In that way, the ingredients are in room temperature and it will be easier for you to mix the ingredients. Okay, let's start. First, mix the cream cheese using the handheld mixer. So in this procedure, you will wait until your cream cheese is soft and creamy. Okay, so once your cream cheese is soft and creamy, you can now add the sugar. Compared to the cheesecake that I usually make, which is the New York style cheesecake, this one has first, it has no crust. Second, we will not bake it with a water bath. And the third one, there are no additional flavorings like a lemon and a vanilla. So I think that way it looks so easy to make, right? Okay, and then the next step, you will now add the heavy cream. Another difference, in New York style cheesecake, you have to be very careful in mixing the ingredients. So, minimal mixing is required so that you will not introduce more bubbles in the cheesecake. But for this one, in San Sebastian cheesecake, you can take your time, mix the ingredients thoroughly until everything is properly mixed and then the butter is soft and creamy. Now, add the flour. Scrape the sides so that there will be no lumps and everything will be properly mixed. And then the eggs, you will add it one at a time. And that's it guys, you'll just mix the ingredients and your cheesecake is now ready to be burned or baked or burned. So yeah, I mean literally, you will burn your cheesecake at a high temperature. So you can now transfer your butter to the pan. Okay, so now you're ready to burn your cheesecake. I mean bake your cheesecake. Bake your cheesecake at 200 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes until the color of the top layer turns dark brown and the center of the cheesecake still jiggles. You will see that later. Okay? And it's done after 50 minutes of burning the cake, hot and fresh from the oven. Okay, as you can see, the top layer color is dark brown and it still jiggles at the center. Look, it still jiggles. Okay. Okay, so you will let it cool and chill it inside the fridge for 4 hours or overnight. And it will be ready to be served. And then enjoy! And that's all for today's episode. Watch out for next episode because I will be asking my friends to taste my cheesecakes. The New York style cheesecake and this San Sebastian cheesecake and have their own review and comparison of the cheesecakes. Okay? So, you know the drill? Like this video, comment for suggestions, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Aww.